Welcome to the Mitsy Kit Fleece Lap Blanket tutorial. With your kit, you should have 4 stacks of fleece squares with plastic clips indicating the rows. The first stack has 1 clip for row 1, the second 2 clips for row 2, the third 3 clips for row 3, and the fourth 4 clips for row 4. You should also have a bundle of fleece ribbon and a plastic needle. Just a couple of tips before you start lacing your fleece blanket together. These fleece ribbon are very stretchy, and it might help to kind of just tug on them a little bit before you get started. Just stretch them out a little bit. And the other helpful tip is about a thumb's length from the end, from the tail of the ribbon. If you place a safety pin at that point, then when you put your other end of the tail through the eye of the needle, the eye of the plastic needle, and sometimes it helps to put it at an angle so that the tip goes through first and then pull it through and only leave a short tail. And then when you pull your ribbon through the hole, the safety pin will stop it at the right place. So that's a tip, especially for those who are blind or visually impaired, so you don't have to worry about pulling the ribbon all the way through. Since our tutorial for putting the fleece patchwork blanket together is quite long, we've segmented our tutorial into several parts. This concludes our introduction. Please move on to the next part of our series, which shows you how to lace together your first row.